Hello, this is a recording of the text, "The GoPro Camera." Before I read the text, I'll begin by looking at some of the text features that help me to understand this nonfiction text. First, I look at the photos. Okay, this article has one photo on the first page and another photo on the second page. When I look at the photo on the first page, I also pay close attention to this caption. It says, "A skimboarder uses a GoPro camera as he rides the surf in Florida, USA." And down here, if I try to zoom a little bit, it says the GoPro Hero 3 Plus camera. I also would like you to see with me how each paragraph is numbered. So this is paragraph 1, paragraph 2, 3, etc. Now, as I return to the first paragraph, I'm going to read the words in blue that are the vocabulary words highlighted in this article. So I see attach, vehicle, memorable.